Mr. Fred, I beg you.
Not paying debts means you got a date in the arena.
I can pay you tomorrow. Please, no.
Let the woman go.
Well, well, looky here.
I'm sure you'll find me more useful than her. I'll take her place.
Commander Madnick, you mustn't.
All part of the plan, boys.
Always gotta be the hero, don't you, Madnick? I accept your terms. Enjoy tumbling around the fighting pits, hero. What are you cretins waiting for? Seize him! Who are you?
I'll be fine.
Heh.
Don't worry.
Do you know how nervous I got the moment you foolishly intervened?